Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is set operations in Python. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel Coder's Companion or click on my playlist links. Video links are also given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. Set operations in Python. Sets are used to carry out mathematical functionality. Set operations such as union, difference, intersection, and symmetric difference. Listed below are the set operations we will see one by one. Set union, set intersection, disjoint set, superset and subset, set difference, set symmetric difference. Set union. Inclusion of all items from sets. Let's say we have two sets, set A and set B. Union will include all the items from set A and set B without duplicates. Union operation is performed by either of the following methods: using pipe symbol or using union function. Let's see this with an example. Let me create two sets. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To perform union operation, we can use set A pipe symbol set B. The result includes all items from set A and set B without any duplicates. Or we can use another method, set A dot union of set B, and the output is same. Set intersection. Inclusion of items that are common to sets. Intersection operation is performed by either of the following methods: using ampersand symbol or by using intersection function. Let's take the same sets, set A and set B. To perform intersection operation, we can use set A ampersand set B. And the output includes only the common items from set A and set B. We can use set A dot intersection of set B. This will also return the same result. Intersection underscore update function. In the previous operation, intersection function gets the common items between sets and returns a new set with the common values. But intersection underscore update function gets the common items between two sets and modify the caller set. Let's see this with an example. I am taking the same set variables set A and set B. Now let's use the command set A dot intersection underscore update of set B. This command will get the common items 4 and 5, reassign the value into set A. When I print set A and set B, you can see set A is updated as 4, 5 and set B remains the same. Let's reset the value of set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time, let's reverse the set. Set B dot intersection underscore update of set A. Now when I print set A and set B is updated to 4, 5 and set A remains the same. Disjoint set. When there is no elements common in two sets, it is called disjoint set. To check if set A and set B are disjoint sets, use the function isDisjoint. It returns true or false. For example, I am taking the same sets set A and set B. I am using the command set A dot isDisjoint of set B. This will return false because there are common items present in set A and set B. Now let's reset the value set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. The command set A dot isDisjoint of set B will return true because there is no common item in set A and set B. Superset and subset. If a set has every element of another set, set A is said to be the superset of set B if all elements of set B are in set A, and set B is said to be the subset. To check if a set is superset or subset, we can use the function is superset or is subset. Both the function returns true or false as output. Let's see this with an example. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 4, 5. Let's use the command set A dot is superset of set B. This will return true because all the items in set B is present in set A. So set A is the superset of set B. But when we reverse the command set B dot is superset of set A, this will return false. Now the command set A dot is subset of set B will return false because set A is not a subset of set B. Whereas the command set B dot is subset of set A will return true because set B is a subset of set A. Set difference. Set A minus set B contains the items that are only in set A but not in set B. Set B minus set A contains the elements that are only in set B but not in set A. Difference operation is performed by either of the following methods: using minus symbol or by using difference function. For example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the command set A minus set B will return 1, 2, 3. We can also use the command set A dot difference of set B. This will also return the same result. And the command set B minus set A will return 6, 7, 8. Similarly, we can use the command set B dot difference of set A. This will return the same result. Difference underscore update function. The difference function helps to find out the difference between two sets and returns a new set with the difference value. But the difference underscore update function will update the existing caller set. Let's take the same sets, set A and set B. Set A dot difference underscore update of set B will get the difference set A minus set B. And it updates set A with the result from set A minus set B. Now let's print set A and set B. In the output, set A is updated by set A minus set B and set B remains the same. Again, let's reset the value of set A and set B. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's reverse the set. Set B dot difference underscore update of set A will get the difference set B minus set A and updates set B with the results from set B minus set A. And set A remains the same. Set symmetric difference. Inclusion of items from the sets except the common elements of the sets. Symmetric difference operation is performed by either of the following methods: using caret symbol or by using symmetric underscore difference function. For example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The command set A caret symbol set B will return all elements except common elements. This command can also be written as set A dot symmetric underscore difference of set B and it returns the same result. Symmetric underscore difference underscore update function. The function symmetric underscore difference helps to find out the symmetric difference between two sets and returns a new set with the result. But the symmetric underscore difference underscore update function updates the existing caller set. For example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The command set A dot symmetric underscore difference underscore update of set B will update set A with the result from set A symmetric difference set B and set B remains the same. Let's reset set A and set B. Execute the command set B dot symmetric underscore difference underscore update of set A. This command will update set B with the result from set B symmetric difference set A. And set A remains the same. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button Share the link to your friends, and for any questions and comments, feel free to post it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. My upcoming videos will be on Python functions. See you in next video.